Hey guys, Steve Maxwell again with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at a really cool option. This is going to be the Hitch 16RD. Let's go take a look. Ram electric front tongue jack. So that's going to make it really easy for you to get up off the ball or onto the ball of your truck. It is also going to have lighting for those low light situations. 2 propane tanks right here are going to give you plenty of propane for those extended trips, and 2 battery housings back here that are going to hold 2 12-volt batteries. This hitch is going to have 4 manual stabilizer jacks. In my opinion, it's going to be a great option for a dry camping situation. Not going to rely on electricity, and they're really easy to replace and fix. Pass-through on this hitch is going to be very large for its size, give you plenty of storage for all of your equipment. Also going to come with the Go Power solar panel pre-installed. That's going to be a trickle charger for your battery. It's going to allow you to use a little bit more power, not run the entire camper, but give you enough to get where you're going. The inverter on the other side of the pass-through is going to convert that 12-volt into 110, allow you to use some of the other amenities on this trailer. We are still going to have the Solaire electric awning right above my head. It does have the auto dump feature for rain. It's going to be a really nice option for out in the woods. The hitches have a very nice aluminum wheel well on them that does have a table attachment you can use while you're camping. In-place ladder allow you to get on the roof, do any maintenance you need to along with cleaning. Cruiser's also giving you a nice cargo basket on the rear. You can put fuel tanks, water tanks, whatever you're going to need to bring with you, along with, it's not here right now, but it will come with a spare tire. A nice option that the hitch offers is going to be the prep for your Furrion backup camera. That's going to be an option you can add on aftermarket if you see fit. All right guys, that's the outside of the hitch. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Inside the hitch, right inside the door underneath the cabinet area in the kitchen, you are going to have the control panel for the entire unit. It's going to have all your lighting setups, all your auxiliary tank setups, black tank, fresh tank batteries. Battery cutoff is going to be inside this unit, as well as the control for the awning. And to my left in the hitch, we're going to have the queen size bed. It is going to be an east to west facing bed. You have USB plugs, household 110 plugs, along with your controller for the inverter next to the bed. Above the bed, we are going to have an RV rated Summit TV already put in place, hooked up for use with storage all above the bed. Another nice feature of the hitch is you're going to have tons of storage in here for the size of camper you have. You're going to have storage all underneath the bed here for all of your clothes, any equipment you're going to need. The bathroom in the hitch is going to have a really ergonomical setup. It's going to have minimal counter space, but plenty of storage for everything you're going to need right above it. You do have your vanity with the medicine cabinet behind it, stand-up shower, and your RV toilet. The kitchen in the hitch is going to offer a very open, wide basin sink. That is going to be stainless steel with the powder coat on it. You're going to have a 2-burner Suburban stove with the glass cover, so if you need a little bit more counter space, you can use it as that. Like I said with storage, the hitch is going to have plenty of it down here in the kitchen. Your pantry area right over here. It does have a hanger in there if you would like to use it as a closet, as well as drawers just below.
Why would you want a propane fridge?
It's a great question. So a camper that you're looking to boondock or dry camp in, it's nice to have another option to operate the fridge whenever you're not around a power source. So running it on propane is going to allow you to operate the fridge when you're not hooked up to power. But still having the electric option does give you a little bit more economical of a source of power whenever you're at a campground. The fridge is going to be located right here. It is going to be a Dometic propane or electric fridge, so has plenty of options of how you want to utilize it while you're camping. Above that, you do have a Magic Chef microwave for cooking whatever you're going to need. And behind me, we do have the U-shaped dinette that can be converted into a sleeping area with storage on both sides. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the hitch. Again, thank y'all for coming and watching. If y'all have any other RVs y'all want to take a look at, feel free to comment below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget the fun starts here.